Hello students, welcome to my online classes. Today we are going to read the chapter 2, that is the address. First of all, we have to discuss about the writer. Okay, it is written by Minko. Okay, he was from Netherlands. His pen name is Marga Minko. Okay, she was also a journalist and she wrote basically on a Dutch language. Okay, let's move further. This is some idea about the chapter. Okay, as written, it's a story of a girl whose mother, Mrs. S. Okay, this is the name of the mother. Okay, the story is based on the story of a girl gave their belonging to a lady called Mrs. Todling. Okay, Mrs. Todling is one of the important character in this chapter. Okay, we will describe the character of her later on. Okay, the scenario of the chapter is in the Second World War. Okay, means the setting is of Second World War. Okay, now unfortunately during the war, Mrs. S dies. Mrs. S, the mother of the girl, dies, but her daughter survives. Anyhow, daughter survives. Her daughter first thinks to leave the belongings of her mother as she thought it will make her remember the good old times and she will then regret it. Very important points and underlined points of the chapter. The daughter of Mrs. Yes. Firstly, thought that it is better to leave the belongings, means the associate things of her mother, as she thought it will make her remember of the good old times which she spent with her mother, and she will then regret it. But later she becomes curious to see the her mother belonging. Actually, human mind is subject to change. Human mind is subject to change. Sometimes we will change our decision. Okay, many times we are not stick to our own decision. Similarly, here also she becomes curious to see her mother belongings. ओके, स्टार्टिंग में तो उसने सोचा कि अगर उसकी बिलोंगिंग्स तो देखेंगे तो मुझे ओल्ड टाइम जो अपने मदर के साथ उसने स्पेंड किया था माइट बी पॉसिबल दे विल कम दोज थॉट्स कम इन हर माइंड, बट लेटर वो सोची कि चलते हैं मदर की बिलोंगिंग्स को देखते हैं. ओके, नाउ एट दिस पॉइंट Mrs. Darling acts like she don't know her. Okay, means Mrs. Darling, who was the owner of all those things, acts like she don't know her and avoid the Mrs. S. Although she know very well Mrs. S, but this time she avoid. Okay, daughter and the girl tries to get her belongings back. ओके, दिस डॉटर एस की जो डॉटर थी, द गर्ल ट्राइज हर बेस्ट टू गेट हर बिलोंगिंग्स बैक. ओके, बट वेन शी फाइंड्स देम द ऑब्जेक्ट इवोक्स मेमोरीज ऑफ हर ओल्ड लाइफ. बट वेन शी गॉट अ opportunity to see all those things, automatically all the objects evokes memories of her old life. Whatever happened in the old life all comes in her mind. She decided to leave them all behind and resolved to move. Okay, means when memories enters or evokes in the mind of the girl, she thought that it is better to leave all the things and just move on. It is not better to keep in mind the memories of my. Okay, so this is about the war. Okay, war in Holland. You see the effect of the war on human life, on the life of general person. Many has been means get the idea. Okay, see, this is a small conversation that we have seen. Here is Mrs. Darling. Okay, he's telling that Mrs. S, you should give all of your precious items to me, as you might be asked to leave any time and you shall lose everything. Being a well wisher, Mrs. S give the suggestion, just suggested Mr. Darling, that you have to keep all your stuffs along with me. So, because due to the effect of war, you can leave any time. वार इफेक्ट के कारण तुम कभी भी इस जगह को छोड़ सकती हो. तो जो भी स्टफ्स हैं, यू जस्ट कम. At that time, Mrs. Darling thought that the lady was her well-wisher. But this well-wisher have greedy mind. Okay, greediness is hidden in her thought. Okay, Mrs. Darling told that you sure about this, as you might get trouble for helping a Jewish family. Means, as we know, in the wartime there is a conflict between Jew and the others. Okay, so she asked, you didn't have any problem to help a Jewish family. At this, Mrs. S, it is complete fine by me. After all, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, means friendship is being done here. I insist you store your belongings at my house at Marconi Street, house number 26. Very, very important point. As you know, the title is the address. What is that particular address? Marconi Street, house number 26. You have to keep in your mind, this is the address. Okay, at this, she thanked her Mrs. Darling for helping in such a critical situation, could have not asked for a bigger favor. Okay, now what happened after the war? जो उन लोगों के बीच मीन्स कन्वर्सेशन हुई थी, उससे ये निकल के आया था कि मिसेस एस को प्रॉब्लम हो सकती थी, तो सारे जो भी बिलोंगिंग्स है वो मिसेस डार्लिंग को दे देती थी. ठीक है, लेकिन जब वार एंड हुआ, ये कब तक के लिए था? वार तक के लिए था. जैसे ही वार एंड हुआ, मिसेस एस डाइड. बट द डॉटर सर्वाइव्स एनीवे. डॉटर सर्वाइव कर गई. अंडरस्टूड? सी मीन्स अलाइव्ड. ओके, now Mrs. S daughter decided to bring back her mother belonging from Mrs. Darling. At this point, Mrs. S daughter, that girl, decided to bring her mother belongings from Mrs. Darling. कि जो भी मीन्स उसकी बिलोंगिंग है, ये हाउस है, ये एड्रेस है, डॉर्लिंग हाउस नंबर 46 मार्कोनी स्ट्रीट. ओके, कि इट इज़ बेटर बिकॉज दोज बिलोंगिंग्स बिलोंग टू मी, सो आई हैव टू टेक. This is made by the girl. Okay, so she went. Okay, Mrs. Girl acts like, at that point Mrs. Darling acts like she don't know her. Mrs. Darling rejected the idea of knowing her. This is means fake friendship, you can say, and avoid the Mrs. S daughter, and the girl tries to get her belonging back, but when she finds them, okay, means, and avoid the Mrs. S daughter, and girl tries to get her belonging back. At this point, when Mrs. S tries her best to get all the belongings back to her, the object evokes memory of her life. Means, in the story, in the text, you find when she used to see all those stuffs, she just means happened, because there is no doubt this daughter loved her mother very much. Okay, this daughter loved her mother very much. If she is not there, she was not alive, what is the use of those means in living means non-living materials? So she decided to leave them all behind and resolved to move. Lastly, she decided, it is not better to be here. It is not better to be here, and I have to walk around. Okay, and she left. Means she thought that it is not good to be means in memory all those stuffs. I have to walk and just left the house, and just with this point कि I don't want those belongings. Okay, because at this point she understood the means greedy nature of the Mrs. Darling. Okay, the chapter is divided in different parts. The first part we have to discuss, that is the first meaning between them. In the beginning of the story, it is narrated how the protagonist was given a cold reception. Cold reception means when the protagonist went there to ask for those stuffs at that reception, means she was means not welcomed. Instead of it, he was given a cold reception. When she went to her native place after the war, when the war ended, in search of her mother's belongings, after the ring bells of house number 46 in Marconi Street. Means when the daughter decided to take all those stuffs, she went to house number 46 in Marconi Street. That is the address. Okay, as the title. A woman opened the door. There was a woman who opened the door on being introduced. First of all, the girl introduced herself. The woman kept staring at her in silence. Means woman stared but did not reveal any words. There was no sign of recognition on her face. Facial expression is totally absent. Okay, at this point, very important thing, the woman was wearing her mother's green knitted cardigan. That woman, Mrs. Darling, was wearing a mother's green knitted cardigan, as you know. The narrator could understand that she had made no mistake. The narrator thought it might be possible I was mistaken. But when she recalled the green cardigan of her mother, she understood very well she had no mistake, she was at the right place. She asked the woman whether she knew her mother. Okay, she just asked the name of her mother. The woman could not deny this. Okay, means at that point the woman could not deny this. The narrator wanted to talk to her for some time. Okay, means narrator, the girl wanted to talk to Mrs. Darling, but the woman courteously closed the door. Means at that time, means without recognition, without any talk, he just means be cautious on that particular point and just closed the door. The narrator stopped there for some time and then left the place. Actually, the narrator was also helpless. The girl was helpless who came here in search of her mother belongings, but she was rear-handed. Understood? So, without any means delay, she just left the place. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, now in the second part, remembering the past. In the subsequent second, the memories of her narrator's bygone days come to light. Now, the narrator thought about her mother. Her mother had provided the address years ago during the war. Means this address got this address he just got provided from the mother. She went to home for few days. Okay, she could find that various things were missing. She just understood various things are missing. At that time, her mother told her about Mrs. Darling. She just recalled the old memories, the past memories, At that time, when she found that some of the stuffs were missing, at that point time, her mother told her about Mrs. Darling. She happened to be an old acquaintance of her narrator's mother. Mrs. Darling was narrator's mother. Okay, lately she had renewed contact with her and had been coming there regularly. Means a strong foundation has been built, okay, between Mrs. S and Mrs. Darling. Every time she left their house, she took something home with her. Whenever Mrs. Darling visit Mrs. S, she just takes something with her for the safety point of view. She told that she wanted to save all their nice possession. No doubt, those stuffs were very means costly. Okay, precious. So she told that she wanted to save all this nice possession. The next day, the narrator saw Mrs. Darling going out of their house. Okay, the next day, the narrator saw Mrs. Darling going out. Narrator find a time Mrs. Darling was not there. Okay, out of their house with a heavy suitcase. She had fleeting glimpses of Mrs. Darling's face. She asked her mother whether the woman lived far away. She asked about that woman. At that time, narrator's mother told about the address. Miss narrator's mother just told that about all that address, that is number 46 Marconi Street. After many days after the war, the narrator curious to take record of all possession. Okay, means narrators thought that I have to take all the position, and that's why he was at number 46. Means all those things, all those memories come into the mind of the writer. With this intention, she went to the given address. Means she thought that I have to take all those things, and with this intention, she went to the given address. That is Marconi Street, number 46. Okay. Now, that is the part 3 of the story. That is the second visit and the concluding part also. The concluding part of the story describes the second visit of the narrator. Okay, means in this part we discuss about the second visit of the narrator. पहला विजिट जो उसने मिस्टर डॉर्लिंग से मिला और वो उसे पहचानने से इनकार कर दिया. ठीक है, उसके बाद सेकंड पार्ट में वो अपने सारे चीज़ को मेमोराइज करती हैं कि किस तरीके से वार टाइम में मिसेस डॉर्लिंग ने ऑफर किया था हेल्प करने का. ओके, नाउ इन दिस पार्ट एज द नरेटर्स फर्स्ट yielded no result, so she planned to go once again. Whatever she thought in the first visit, that is resultless. So just she decided to move once again. Interestingly, this time she got an opportunity because a girl of 15 opened the door to her. Means there was a girl who just opened the door. Her mother was not at home. Mrs. Darling was not present at that time. The narrator expressed her wish to wait for her. Narrator thought that it was better opportunity to wait for her. The girl accompanied her to the passage. Means the girl offered to just come inside. The narrator saw an old-fashioned iron candle holder hanging next to a mirror. Means at that time, this first stuff looked by the narrator, that is iron candle that is hanging on the next mirror. The girl made her sit in the living room and went inside. The narrator was horrified to find herself in a room she knew and did not know. Actually, at that time, means wherever she sit, that all the stuff belongs to me, but I am not getting that type of feeling. She found herself in the midst of the familiar thing. Actually, she was there with some of the things which already known to the narrator, which she longed to see again, but which troubled her in the strange atmosphere. Actually, the stuffs were very familiar. जो घर की सामान थी वो बहुत ही मतलब अपनी सी लगती थी, लेकिन जो एटमॉस्फेयर था दैट इज स्ट्रेंज, दैट इज स्ट्रेंज मीन्स although the things belongs to her, but the atmosphere, the surroundings is not belonging to her. So she was in dilemma, what to do. Okay, she had no courage to look around her. Actually, by seeing all those things, she thought that, see, the things belongs to me, but I did not belong to them. Interestingly, means चीज़ें तो मुझे बिलोंग करती है, लेकिन मैं चीज़ों को बिलोंग नहीं करता. But she no longer had desire to possess them. Okay, in the start we find the girl have a strong desire to get them, but in that atmosphere, means in that surroundings, she saw the condition of all those things. Now she decided not to possess them. She got up. At that time she got up. Instead of waiting, Mrs. Darling walked to the door and left the room. She just left the room. She resolved to forget the address and moved on. Now, at this point, she resolved to forget that particular address and just moved on. Okay, so this is the story we see in three parts. Okay, means there is a change occurring in the mind. First, she decided to take all those stuffs, but by watching all those conditions, she decided to just leave it. Okay, these are some of the important questions which you have to understand. Okay, with answer, you will justification of the title. You just take the hint of that and you have to write in your own words. Okay, means these are the question. Means in the story we see that here are the some key points. The narrator arrives at 46 Marconi Street, a house owned by a certain Mrs. Darling. The door is opened a mere inch by a woman who seems not to know the narrator and treats her with cool inactivity. Okay, incivility, sorry. However, during the course of the interaction, three important realizations occur. Okay, three important realizations occur. In the first meeting, the cold behavior of the Mrs. Darling. At this point, she met with coldness, and this is not good. Whatever the realization occurs there, that is, the first point is the narrator realized that she is at the correct address. At the start, the narrator thought that might be possible it was mistaken, but she was at the right places. And as Mrs. Darling is wearing her mother's sweater, she recognized that green knitted sweater, that green knitted cardigan. Okay, from the faded buttons, it is evident that the sweater has been worn fairly often. ओके, मीन्स फर्स्ट विजिट में ही नरेटर को ये क्लियर हो गया था कि वो एकदम राइट प्लेस में है. ओके, द नरेटर नोज शी इज वेलकम एज मिसेस डार्लिंग डज नॉट इवन लेट द नरेटर्स कम इनटू द हाउस. Actually, narrator thought that Mrs. Darling is the good woman, okay, as he helped at the war time, but she was not welcome, okay. And at this point, the narrator goes away disappointed and unsuccessful in collecting her things. What is the objective of her visit? What is the aim? Means to get all those steps. But due to the greediness of the Mrs. Darling, she was disappointed. Okay, and she was unsuccessful. After that, the narrator hears a door open and close within the house behind Mrs. Darling. The readers know that there is another person in the house. Someone whom Mrs. Darling is anxious to keep away from the narrator. As the narrator walks back to the train station, she recalls how once on returning home from the university during the first half of World War II, she had found several of their household items miss. She recalled all those things. At the time when he completed his exam, he just visit his her means house. She thought she found that some of the household items were missed. That at that time her mother let her know, informed her that Mrs. Darling, an old acquaintance of her mother's, had renewed their contact and insisted that Mrs. Darling keep their things safe during the war. Okay, she come to know about the offer. The narrator also recalls another incident when she had seen Mrs. Darling for an instant in a brown coat and shapeless hat before the woman left with a yet another installment of the narrator's tale. She recalled all the things, in what way Mrs. Darling comes and take the things every time on every vision. Okay, now the narrator's mother. It is about the narrator's mother's an apparently gullible woman. Okay, did not seem to suspect Mrs. Darling of any ulterior motive. Okay, means she failed to understand the nature of the Mrs. S. Okay, Mrs. S, the narrator's woman was more worried about Mrs. Darling hurting herself or being attacked by someone while carrying their things back to Marconi Street for safekeeping. She asked her daughter to remember Mrs. Darling's address in the case of narrator was the only one who survived after war. Means that address given by Mrs. Mrs. S to her daughter, you have to remember this point because all the stuffs were there. Means uh, keep in a good way by a good woman. After the first unsuccessful visit, the narrator ruminates about why she took so long to return for her mother's things. The war and the loss of her family. That is the underlying point of the chapter. The theme, the war and the loss of her family, had settled heavily on the narrator's heart. She only felt fear and hesitation when she thought about the things kept at Mrs. Darling house. Each of those things carried memories of her life before the war. The pain of loss stopped her from returning from her things sooner. This is the means underlying theme. Okay, the impact of war on civilians. In this chapter, we found the impact of civilians, means common people, as we have put it in the matter. The theme is has been already portrayed in several of the books and movies also, as in the Diary of a Young Girl, Anne Frank. You have already read in class 10. Sarah's Keats. These are the some things. The torture of the concentration camp, the loss of loved ones left a painful, everlasting impact. The narrator's observation of the light colored bread, familiar views, and pretend sleep implies the coarse style of the camps, the view of the barren lands, and the barbed wires, and the sleep forever threatened with pain and death. Okay, now after the first failed attempt, the narrators tried to visit Mr. Darling again. This time, the woman was not at home and she was greeted by her 15-year-old daughter. The girl showed off the antiques in her house, and the narrators, oblivious to the fact that they had once belonged to the narrator's home, when the narrators find that her things had now become part of someone else's life and memories. At this point, the narrators found that all those stuffs which once belonged to her is a part of another's one. She decided not to take all these things because she was not familiar with that surroundings and that stuffs. The memories associated with her things were overwhelming. Okay, when she saw the condition of all those things, the memories were overwhelming. There was no space for such fancy items. Actually, at that time, these costly things have no any value, and in the small room where she lived now, everything was now a part of someone else's home. She thought that whatever the means right, all those things not belong to her, and life creating new memories each day. This is the underlying point. life creating new memories each day. Now she found that ki I have no any means no any intention to take all those things, because every time the life and the things is going to be changed. The visit was actually successful in the sense that the narrator was finally able to find the strength to move and to left felt that all the memories left behind the war. Okay, means second visit was successful because she understand कि the value of all those stuffs have no any, because whatever the things, whatever the war effect happen, the address with her mother's old thing would be the easiest to forget. Actually, it is better to forget all those things because her mother is also not alive. These are the some question you have to screenshot, take the screenshot, and you have to do it in your copy. And many things has been discussed in the chapter. Okay, you just go through the text, and if you have any problem, simply you have to focus on the main points of the chapter. ओके, मेन पॉइंट्स पे आप फोकस करिएगा, ठीक है। और जो सर्कमस्टेंसेस हैं, ओके, ट्राई टू जनरेट योर ओन फीलिंग ऑन दैट सिचुएशन। दैट इज द आर्ट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग एनी चैप्टर। मीन्स अपनी आप स्टोरी पढ़िए तो अपने आप को उसमें उस जगह पे रख के सोचिए, अंडरस्टूड, एंड वट एवर द थिंग्स आर कमिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन योर, that is the means that is the most suitable way of understanding the chapter. ओके, आई थिंक जो चैप्टर है आपको समझ में आया होगा। इससे रिलेटेड अगर कोई डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क फ्रॉम द वेरियस मोड्स। सो दिस इज एनफ फॉर टुडे। ओके, सो वी विल ट्राई टू मीट ऑन another class. Okay, if you have any problem then you can ask from the various. Okay, thank you.